Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. IBPS PO के forms activate हो गए and I know that you guys want to know that what should be the ideal preference list for the bank which we need to fill in the IBPS PO form based on the location, based on the profitability, based on the interview scenario. So because in the interview they are going to ask you that why this bank is your first preference. तो कैसे भाई उस समय हम justify कर पाएंगे उस particular bank को top preference पे रखने का. So based on that I'll be able to give you a suggestion from my side. My suggestion will be also based on this, that if you are from southern part of the country, then there will be a high probability that you may get position or posting in the southern part of India. So the bank which have more number of branches into there and the bank is profitable with the lower NPA, I would suggest you to keep that bank as a top preference. It will be easy to justify also during the interview, and even after selection you may get chance to get work nearby your home or nearby your state only. That is going to be better. Okay, I'll also share the same preference list in my Telegram group in the form of PDF, so you can get it from this Telegram group after the session. So first of all, you guys are aware about it that there are 3 banks which have not reported their vacancies. Means we are not aware about it. What is the total number of vacancy in this particular bank? These banks are Union Bank of India. Union Bank of India have not announced that what is the total number of vacancies Union Bank of India is going to give. So they are still not reported. अभी तक वो not reported है. Similar to that, UCO Bank is not reported and Indian Bank is not reported. These are the 3 banks which have not reported their vacancies. It means they will announce their vacancies on a later stage. बाद में announce करेंगे. 5,208 vacancies as of now we have. They are going to increase more than 6,000 as per the expectation कि हाँ भाई 6,000 plus होने जाएंगे vacancies आपके. Now preference should be based on the least or lowest chance of privatization of a bank. Now multiple time you have heard in the previous report Niti Aayog recommended the privatization of Central Bank of India, privatization of Indian Overseas Bank. Even a student called me after the selection, sir, I got IOB. Is there any chance of privatization? Guys, currently there is no chance of any public sector bank in the current scenario. In the year 2025-26, there is no chance of any bank to get privatized. Reason? All banks are profitable, all banks are maintaining good quality of assets, all banks are running at very low gross NPA, net NPA. तो किसी भी बैंक के प्राइवेटाइज होने का चांस तो नहीं है. So this is one thing which you need to keep out of your mind while filling any bank as the top preference. ये आपको दिमाग से निकाल देना, परेशान नहीं होना है. Posting location, so that you need to check that okay which bank have more number of branches in my state or in my region where I may get the chance to work within my state or within my region. तो वो आप देख सकते हो. Interview prospective is also important. For example, you are attending interview, you have applied from either Madhya Pradesh or Chhattisgarh. अगर आप MP छत्तीसगढ़ में apply कर रहे हैं, I'm just giving you one example. So if you are applying in MP or Chhattisgarh, your interview conducted in Bhopal. आपका interview conduct होता है भोपाल में, and that is conducted in the office of Central Bank of India. So always try to keep Central Bank of India at least in your top 5 preference. At least on the 5th number आप उसको रख लो. Don't keep on 9th or 10th position. Reason ये है कि they will ask you one or two officers, means out of 5 definitely 1 or 2 officers will belongs to Central Bank of India only, because it will be conducted in their regional office, not head office, regional office. उनके RO में conduct होगा, भोपाल RO of Central Bank of India. So 1 or 2 officer, why Central Bank of India is at lower position? You will not be able to justify it properly. तो इस aspect को भी दिमाग में रखो when you are filling it, right? Merger. We have seen that Punjab National Bank, in this bank Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India got merged. So Punjab National Bank have a good grip in the eastern part of the country in the current scenario. India के eastern part में इनका अच्छा grip है. In the state like West Bengal, Odisha, in these states it have a good grip because of the merger of these banks. After that, second merger, Canara Bank got merged into Syndicate Bank. Canara Bank have a good grip in the southern part of the country. इनका अच्छा grip है southern part में. Similar to that, Union Bank. Union Bank के साथ merge हुआ था आपका Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank. These two banks were also the banks which have the good preference or good coverage in the southern part of the country. Because of that, Union Bank is a bank which have their branches in the northern part as well as in the southern part. I'll give you the proper list also at the end. So please keep patience for that. We need to just have a little idea about, okay, which bank have more branches in which area, and after that we'll create a proper list. Indian Bank, with this Allahabad Bank got merged. So now if we will talk about the profitability, based on the profitability, most profitable bank after State Bank of India in India among all the public sector bank is BOB. BOB आपका सबसे profitable bank है अगर आप पूरे banks की profitability check करो. I'm not talking about the profitability ratio or profitability percentage. In terms of profit percent, it is Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank have generated the profit of 102% compared to the last year, but the profit is 16,000 crore rupee, while the profit of Bank of Baroda is 19,500 crore. इनका 19,500 crore है, मतलब it is the most profitable nationalized bank in India. Now see, it give you valid reason. If you will keep BOB on the top preference, you are applying from Gujarat or Madhya Pradesh or Uttar Pradesh, from such area, and you are keeping BOB on the top preference or PNB on the top preference, and they ask you why BOB on the top preference. Sir, it is one of the most profitable, it is one of the most profitable nationalized bank in India. It generated the profit of around 19,500 crore. After SBI, it was the second profitable bank in India, sir. That was one of the reason, and it is one of the growing bank. Its tagline is India's international bank. So you need to create right now, from right now you need to think around interview. You need to create the reasons for that day कि भाई उस दिन जब इंटरव्यू अटेंड करेंगे क्या बताएंगे, why this particular bank is on the top preference. If you kept Indian Overseas Bank on the top preference, question is why, तो वो भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. Canara Bank, very good option for all the students those who are applying from the South Indian states. जो साउथ से अप्लाई कर रहे हैं उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है टू कीप इट एज अ टॉप प्रेफरेंस. 17,000 crore profitability. Indian Bank, another bank from the South Indian state, those who want to apply from the south part of India, for them another bank to keep on the top or second preference or third preference, that is Indian Bank. Then Bank of India, anyone can apply. Bank of Maharashtra, especially those who are from the Maharashtra region, they can apply BOM in the top 1 or 2 preference. अब बात करते हैं gross and net NPA की. So in term of gross and net NPA, lowest BOB is holding the lowest gross and net NPA in India. Net NPA lowest चल रहा है BOB का. Then Canara Bank, then Indian Bank, then Union Bank, then Punjab National Bank. If you will observe, same bank you will have in the profitability also. Same banks you have in the less gross NPA, net NPA also. These are the reasons which will be justifying that why you kept this bank on the top. Now I'll give the preference suggestion from my side. It is just suggestion. You need to decide your own priority list by keeping your aspect in the consideration. So for the people those who are applying from Uttarakhand, Delhi or Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, from these areas those who are applying, Jammu and Kashmir, for them I would suggest keep Bank of Baroda as the top preference. Reason is strong base in the Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, most profitable bank, modern bank. And second number, National Bank of India, Punjab National Bank. Third, Union Bank of India. Fourth, you can keep either Canara Bank, Bank of India or Central Bank. Top three, I would suggest these bank if you are applying from the state which I have named just now. ये तीन आपके top banks हो सकते हैं while filling the form. Vacancies are also very high. You have seen the vacancies of Bank of Baroda is 1,000. BOB का vacancies कितना है? 1,000 vacancies है Bank of Baroda का. Correct है ना? एक बार check कर लें. BOB का vacancies देखिए यहाँ पर कितना है. So BOB 1,000 vacancies है. Bank of Maharashtra 1,000. Canara Bank 1,000. So vacancies are also more. So another reason which you have, that is vacancies are high, and bank will have good grip into your area, which will give the chances that you may get joining in your own region after selection. Second है आपके पास South Indian states. So if you are applying from the southern part of the country, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, from these states if you are applying, my suggestion, Canara Bank should be on the top preference. Reason, more branches in the southern part of the country, one of the profitable bank with the lower NPA, gross NPA, net NPA, chances of getting the posting also in the southern part. So these are the reason. So Canara Bank you can keep on the top preference. Indian Bank you can keep. Indian Overseas Bank you can keep. After that, Union Bank of India, because it also have good presence in the southern part, got merged with the Andhra Bank. Andhra Bank, all the branches got converted into Union Bank of India. So if you are from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana region, definitely Union Bank of India branches are more in that area. Then Bank of India you can apply, means you can keep. I'm just giving you top 4, top 5 preference. Remaining you need to fill all. आपको तो बाय डिफॉल्ट सारे फिल करने हैं, जस्ट फ्रॉम माय साइड आई एम गिविंग यू प्रेफरेंस. इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग फ्रॉम द सदर्न पार्ट, सॉरी ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द country like Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Assam, or the northeastern part, UCO Bank can be your preference. Reason Kolkata, especially the people those who are from West Bengal, they can keep UCO Bank on. I'm not suggesting like you have to keep it at first only. Keep it on the second preference. इसको second पे रख लो because of the good number of presence. Keep it on the second. Union Bank of India you can keep on top. PNB you can keep on top. Or Central Bank of India you can keep on top. So these are the banks which you can keep on top. Top 5 banks का list है, suggested from my side. You can decide that okay which one you want to keep on top, which one you want to keep on second number, which one you want to keep on third number. But if you are applying from West Bengal, definitely UCO Bank should be there in your list in the top 5. UCO Bank आपके list में होना चाहिए top 5 में. Applying from the western part or middle part of the country like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. If you are applying from Maharashtra especially, your interview will be conducted in Bank of Maharashtra. BOM should be either on your top preference or at least on the second number. BOM को कम से कम first या second preference पर रखें if you are applying from Maharashtra. Applying from Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, then definitely BOB should be your top preference. Then after that you can keep Union Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra third, PNB either third को या तो PNB कर लो, Bank of Maharashtra can be your fourth number. Then Bank of India and Central Bank of India. Central Bank of India have very good grip in the in Madhya Pradesh. So if you are applying from MP or Chhattisgarh, definitely it should be there in your top 5 preference, as I told previously also. ठीक है, तो ये मेरी तरफ से suggestions थे. Now you can decide by your own what should be your preference list. I will share it on my Telegram group also, GA Genius by Aditya Sir. As you already know, this year in general awareness part, there will be 35 questions, will hold 50 marks in 25 minutes. Weightage of GA will be high. One stop solution I am suggesting you, that is Hustle 2.0 batch, where you will be able to get the topic wise monthly current affairs like RBI circular, RBI news, SEBI circular, SEBI news, IRDI news, banking and financial news, government schemes, news of national importance, news of international importance. So monthly current affairs topic wise with the detailed discussion. Along with that, you will have the MCQ revision within the same batch. Hustle 2.0 one stop solution. And IBPS PO 2025 notification is out. Biggest offer of the year is available now. 11-month course, complete mock test series for banking and insurance 2025 is available at just 175 rupees. तो 175 rupees पर आपका जो mock test है, complete mock test, that is available right now. You can join the mock test today itself. Start कर सकते हो अपना preparation properly. And if you feel that this video was good for you, you got the good suggestion from the video before filling your form, please like the video, share with your friends, comment in the comment box about the content. एक और suggestion है मेरी तरफ से, if you do not have EWS certificate with you, do not apply in EWS certificate with the hope that I will make it. First of all, get the EWS certificate in hand, then only apply into that. बहुत सारे बच्चे गलती करते हैं, EWS में अप्लाई कर देते हैं, सोचते हैं सर्टिफिकेट बाद में बनवा लेंगे और वो नहीं मिलता. Even if you will clear the general cutoff, but you applied in EWS, they will ask you certificate, otherwise you will not be eligible for attending interview. अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. Even if they will allow interview, they will not give you final joining. तो ऐसी गलतियां मत करना while applying for the form. Thank you for watching the video guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.